Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to share calendars on your iPhone and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the calendar. Now from here at the bottom you can see there is an icon. You have to tap on it. Now from here you have to select home, and what you need to do is you have to tap on I icon over there. Just tap on it. Now from here you have to tap on add person to whom you wanted to share. Just type their email ID. Once you just type their email ID something, you have to type it properly and just go for plus icon over here. Once you're done with this one, you can see this is only applicable shared with this particular person. Now we need to tap on that one, and right now you can allow them editing. If you wanted to turn it off, you can turn it off from here, and also if you want to delete it, you can delete it. So the opposite person will be receiving an email over there to join it, so they can join it, and that is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.